so good. So welcome back, guys. But today's video is mostly on the Korda Tourmaster High. So I bought these riding shoes around 2 weeks ago. Damn, this place is good. So I bought these boots like 2 weeks ago, and this is my first ride in these boots. So these boots, so there are two versions in this boot. One is the low version and one is the high version. So what I have is a high version. So the low version costs you around 8,000 and the high version will cost you 1,000 rupees extra. Now, why did I buy these boots? Of course, I needed riding boots. That's the first thing. Now, the second thing is comparing to every other boots, right? The Hanleh by none other than Mr. Bullu Biker. The other boots which I considered was Solace. And after Solace, there is one more boot from Royal Enfield actually, which is called the Wanderer. So Solace, Hanleh and Royal Enfield Wanderer. These are the three boots apart from the Korda Tourmaster, which comes with a high profile. Apart from these boots, you will get Raida as well, but I don't consider Raida because their quality control is shit, man. I don't know why, but their quality control, I never felt those Raida's products good or long lasting, so I did not consider them. Orazo, they are more of a safety shoes than riding shoes. So after all the consideration and everything, came to decision of choosing between Royal Enfield Wanderer, Hanleh, two touring boots, and Solace and Korda. So these are the four boots I came up. Now with the issue with Hanleh is it is more towards the comfort, the fit and finish, all these things. It's very good. Where it lacks is the safety rating. It doesn't have shin protection. Of course, when you wear riding boots and most of the people wear their riding gear like the riding jacket and the riding pant and everything. So for those people, Hanleh is like very good. Hanleh is very good. If you are wearing your riding pants and riding boots every time, whenever you go, so Hanleh is better choice for you. But I am not a person who wears a riding pant and a riding jacket every time because I don't have one. Even if I want to ride, like now I'm just doing a one day ride, that's it. Not even one day, half a day. I'll just go to some destination and I will come back. For these kind of roads, I don't want to wear my full riding gear and stress myself. So I wanted good protection. I wanted shin protection as well. So that's the reason I went with Korda. Solace, Royal Enfield Wanderer and Hanleh. All these three boots are almost similar. These are similar to the Korda Tourmaster low version. All the boots are one and all the same. The safety ratings, the build quality here and there. Some shoes more towards the safety, some shoes are more towards the ruggedness, adventure. Some shoe is more towards the comfort, and this shoe is more towards the safety, considering the comfort to be secondary in this Korda Tourmaster. So that's the reason I chose Korda Tourmaster. Of course, every certification is there. CE certification is there, which is required for the boots. All the safety ratings. You have heel, you have toe, you have the ankle protection, you have the shin protection. Everything is TPU and D3O armors, which sets these boots apart from the other boots. This is the only boot which comes with the D3O armor. And waterproof, of course, the waterproof is like hit or miss. It is the same with all the boots. No boot is superior to any other boot in this price range. Every boot is the same. So don't go focused on riding boots which are waterproof. Just wear riding pants over the top part of the boots, and the monsoon ride will be perfect for you guys. So these boots, I considered all this, and also the comfort. Of course, now today is my first ride. It is a little on the stiffer side, so it will take time. I have one ride which is coming up in few days, for which I'm trying to break in this boot. So now I have the gloves, I have a good helmet. I have the boots. Now only pant and riding jacket is left. I have the rain gear as well. I'll buy that soon as well, so no problem. So after all this consideration, price consideration, of course the material is also it's built very premium. And the build is right. You will not at all feel it is anything less than 9,000-10,000. It is not very stylish. It doesn't have many color options as well. I think black is the only color they sell it in. It's a very functional design. You have the gear shifter, the gear lever, protection on the shoe. You have the YKK zippers, which are like the best according to me. It feels very smooth. And I've tried everyone. I tried the Hanleh, I tried Royal Enfield Wanderer, I tried Solace, and tried the Korda Tourmaster. After trying all this only, I finalized the Korda Tourmaster High. And till now, I'm loving this. It's just that I'm finding little difficult to shift the gear and put the foot on my brake lever. I'm putting more pressure on the gear lever than required. I am not used to this. Even the sideways movement or the ankle back and fro motion or the sideways, it's still a little stiff. I need to break in all this. I need to get used to it. Once it takes the shape and everything, then I think it is fine. Waterproof testing I will do, don't worry. If I get a good spot somewhere, I'll definitely do in this ride only, and I will show you. I'll submerge it in the water and I will show you. So after considering all these safety ratings, I came to a conclusion to buy these boots. And also it is like Indian company, Chennai based, doing good. All that is secondary, but the product itself is good. So no worries. Since the product is already so good, I got it. Now the durability and everything, only time will tell. If you want a 1 year, 2 years review, then just subscribe the channel. I think you will definitely know how these boots are. 100% you will definitely know the waterproofing in a month, because I'm going on a one monsoon ride. You will definitely see me riding in the rain, and these boots will be in that rain. Unboxing and all I will not show, because there's nothing in the box. You will get the boots, that's it. There's nothing else.